Happy birthday to you. This is your day. On this day for you, we're gonna love you in every way. This is your day, your day.
Hi, Ma'am Dina, Ma'am Dixie. Wishing you blessed birthday and many more. May have more birthdays to come. May the Almighty Father always blessing grant all your wishes and the grace throughout the year. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ma'am Dina. Hi, Ma'am Dixie. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Stay good, more power, and God bless. Thank you.
Go! Message! Wala na?
Mama,
Gina mo! Wala na!
Hi, Ma'am Dean and Ma'am Dick. I'm very, very proud and very, very happy to both of you because you are my best superior. Since this is your birthday, how I wish that you will continue to inspire us and give us support. And I hope that God will continue to bless you and shower all His blessings. Not only this year, but for the years to come. Once again, Ma'am, I'm very happy to both of you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Dina and Ma'am Dixie. Salamat sa mga tulong nyo sa akin. Salamat sa mga hampas ninyo. Kasi natututo ako. Sana marami pang nakita ninyo. Sa ating mga boss.
Ma'am Dean, happy birthday. Wish you luck and love. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Dina and Ma'am Dixie. God bless you and more birthdays to come.
Ma'am Dean and Ma'am Dixie, happy birthday. For whatever reason it was you've hired me here in this school. I know that seems Tuesday from me, but I just want to say happy birthday and thank you for being nanay for us teachers. And even if you have the difficulty, I know the personality, of course, there is really big difference, and that makes you really people here in Davao. Thank you so much. And hi, Ma'am Dean and Ma'am Dick, happy birthday. I wish you good health and more blessings in your life. I want to thank you for all the advices that you have given to me, not only to me, and also for all the teachers. Thank you for all the help that you have given to us. Then, God bless and happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ma'am Dixie. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat sa pag-ibig sa aking kalagayan, pag-unawa sa aking sitwasyon. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat at saka sa pagbibigay ko ng maraming pagkakataon. Birthday and God bless you all. Ano sabihin ko? Hi, Ma'am Dixie, Ma'am Dina. Thank you for the opportunity. Happy birthday. Sandali lang. Go.
Happy birthday, Dixie and Dana. Lord will shower more blessings and good health, peace in your family. Okay. I love you. Auntie Nena, di ba?
Happy birthday, Ma'am. To Ma'am Dina and Ma'am Dixie, happy birthday. May God bless you always. As well as Austin, Kay, Chad, and Kyle. And to Sir Noel and to Sir George also. Who else? And of course, the Yayayis, Yoyos, Yaya. Happy birthday to you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Dina and Ma'am Dixie from the Rebel Returning Girl. Happy birthday, Ma'am Dina, Ma'am Dixie. Thank you for being a good mother to us. Ma'am Dina, Ma'am Dixie, thank you for being the financer and the advisor, at the same time, the teacher. Would you like to sing your favorite song? For Ma'am Dina, Tuldok. Ang tuldok ay may kaulugan. For Ma'am Dixie,
si Rosas Pandan.
Sure, with Gardenia. Ma'am Vicky, we won't forget the 3M, so we wanted to have a birthday bash. We wanted to share with your blessing.
Saan tayo mamaya, ma'am?
Don't forget the pasalubong from Europe.
Yes, ma'am. Yung Olympus po, ma'am. Yung aking hingi sa'yo sa Temple Venus po. I love it, ma'am.
Happy birthday,